Welcome to my channel, guys, where it's all things on two wheels. Today I am going to review the Honda Fury that I bought about a year ago now. When I bought it, it needed some work, so I've done some things to it. Put handlebars on it, clutch levers, mirrors, repainted it, blacked out chrome, forward controls, tail lights, headlights, signal lights, new exhaust, and COBRA tuner. I think that's it. I bought it with right at 2,000 miles on it, and it's got a little over 6 on it now. So I've had it for about 4,000 miles. First off, I must say it is not the most comfortable bike to ride. Even with the forward controls on it, it's not like your average cruiser is. But that being said, that does also make it look a lot better, I think. Let's take it for a ride and see where we end up. It is cold out here. Freezing. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Let me know in the comments below if I should take it for a road trip.